starting up and then cutting off. So the pilot is lighting and then it's blowing out a few seconds later. So I'm removing these two screws right here. Okay, I identified what I have to do. I'm moving you guys in so you can see this right here. It's what I got to remove. It's one screw. Remove that and clean that. But before I do all that, we got to go to the next step. All right, this is the step. Take this and turn off the power. So I'm looking right here for my furnace. Turn the power off so I don't electrocute myself. All right. I turned the power off in case I touch something here so I don't get electrocuted. Removing this screw right here. All right. Set that there. Take this right here. I touch it with my hands. Sandpaper. Let me grab it. Alright. Take the sandpaper, clean this off. It's got debris, not to touch it. Put your hand and put no oily residue or anything on here. Hopefully this will fix the problem. If not, then this may need to be replaced. Alright. Now, clean this off to get the debris off the sandpaper. Back down in this hole. Put the screw back in. All right. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, this is a switch right here. Let me scroll down so you can see it. It's a switch right here, like a safety switch. So I'm gonna close that up. There's two pieces to this furnace. Just solve my issue. Put this top part in. these screws. Alright, one screw. And two screws. Alright. Now it's time to turn on the furnace. You hear that? That's the flame. Now normally, that flame sound you had heard would have cut off. You hear it? So it's worked. It was successful.